Hello students, welcome back to Winsome Digital Learning Platform of Winsome International School. Hope you all are keeping fine nowadays. We'll start with the new topic of class 1 and 2, that is adverbs. आज हम जानेंगे adverbs क्या होते हैं, इन्हें हम किसके साथ यूज करते हैं, कब यूज करते हैं. So let's get started with this chapter, that is adverbs. Now what are adverbs? Words that describe how things are done. चीजें कैसे होती है. बहुत सारे बच्चे they complete their work quickly, they complete their work slowly. So how they are doing their work, how is work done, और tell more about verbs, और हमें verbs के बारे में और ज्यादा information दे. Adverbs give more information about the verb, or they tell us more about the verbs, are called adverbs. Adverb answer the question how, when, where. ये हमें क्वेश्चन के आंसर देते हैं how, when and where. जब हमें ये तीन क्वेश्चन अब अलग अलग सेंटेंस में अलग अलग का आंसर हमें मिलेगा, जैसे how is he writing in the class? He is writing slowly in the class. How is he writing? Slowly. Will she come to school? She will come to school tomorrow. Where are you going? So these adverbs gives you the answer of how, when and where. Adverb बेटा हमें और ज्यादा information देते हैं adverb के बारे में. They tell us more about adverb and they give the question answer of the question how, when and where. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly at the end of the adjective. बहुत सारे एडवर्ब एडजेक्टिव के लास्ट में हम ly ऐड कर देते हैं तो उनको हम एडवर्ब्स कहते हैं. बट सम एडवर्ब्स आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. अब हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि हर एडवर्ब के पीछे ly मिल जाएगा, मतलब एडजेक्टिव के आगे हम ly ऐड कर लेंगे तो वो एडवर्ब. बट होता है ऐसा, जनरली होता है, बट देयर आर सम डिफरेंट वर्ड्स आल्सो फॉर एडवर्ब्स. Moving on the next slide, types of adverbs. When we ask question how, जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछे how, to a verb or how an action is done, an adverb can be its answer. अब हम जब क्वेश्चन पूछे how, to a verb और how an action is done, एक एक्शन कैसे हुआ है या how to a verb, we get the answer. जो आंसर हमें मिलता है वो एडवर्ब होता है. जैसे रीता एट मैंगो, रीता ने मैंगो खाया. हाउ, अब मैं पूछूं रीता ने कैसे मैंगो खाया. रीता एट द मैंगो, बट हाउ. जब मैं हाउ क्वेश्चन पूछूं और मुझे आंसर मिले रीता एट द मैंगो क्वाइटली, क्वाइटली, उसने मैंगो कैसे खाया, शी एट द मैंगो क्वाइटली. सो आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर ऑफ हाउ. How is he writing in the class? He is writing neatly. वो साफ लिख रहा है. Quietly, neatly, slowly, loudly. These all are adjective and they give these all are adverbs and they give you the answer of how. जब भी हमें इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिले how, तो वो एडवर्ब होता है. मोस्टली हम एडवर्ब्स के पीछे ly लगाते हैं एंड किसी भी एडजेक्टिव के आगे ly लग जाता है तो वो एडवर्ब हो जाता है. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस. सो हियर दिस एग्जांपल इज सेइंग रीता एट अ मैंगो, रीता ने मैंगो खाया, बट मैंने पूछा कैसे खाया, हाउ. सो रीता एट द मैंगो क्वाइटली. सो आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर ऑफ हाउ. सो दिस इज अ एडवर्ब. Beautifully, quietly, loudly, cheerfully, perfectly, etc. are some adverbs that answer the question how. How is she speaking in the class? She is speaking loudly in the class. So I am getting the answer of how. These are called adverb of manners. जब भी हमें आंसर मिले how का, उसको हम adverbs of manners कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Adverbs of manners. Now, when we ask the question when to a verb or when an action is done, जब हम ये question पूछे when to a verb, जब किसी भी action, when an action is done, कब हुआ, when it has been done, and adverb can be answer, और जो आंसर मिलता है that is a adverb. Ram has a test when, राम का टेस्ट कब है, when is the test, Ram has a test today, उसका टेस्ट आज है, हो सकता है कल हो, today, tomorrow, it was yesterday, Ram's test was held yesterday. So when we get the answer of when, जब भी हम किसी भी verb से question, when we ask question when to a verb or when an action is done, कब एक action हुआ, जब ये question when आता है and it is answered, that answer is adverb. जैसे Ram has a test when, कब है, Sita has a test when, tomorrow, today, yesterday. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, etc. are adverbs that answer the question when. These are called adverb of time. Manner हमने पढ़ लिया, adverb of manner. This is adverb of time. When we get the answer of when, that when is adverb. Ram का test कब था? It is Ram has a test today. उसका test आज है. So when we get the answer of when, that is adverb of time. When we ask the question where to a verb when an action is done, where is the action is done, verb कहाँ हुआ है, where it has taken place, and adverb can be its answer. वो जो answer मिलेगा वो adverb होगा. Children are playing where, एक question आता है ना, if I say children are playing, you'll ask me where ma'am, where are they playing, I want to join them. So children are playing outside, वो बाहर खेल रहे हैं, they are playing outside the campus, they are playing outside. So we are getting the answer of where, कहाँ. So that is outside, inside, here, there, upstairs, etc. Some adverbs that answer the question where. These are called adverbs of place. इनको हम adverbs of place कहते हैं. पहला था adverb of, अभी हमने देखा था adverb of manner. First was adverb of manner, adverb of time, and third is adverb of place. We get the answer of how is adverb of manner, when adverb of time, where adverb of place. Manner, time, place. How का आंसर हमें adverb of manner से मिलता है, when का आंसर हमें adverb of time से मिलता है, and where का आंसर हमें adverb of place से मिलता है. So self test 1. Let us test our knowledge how far we have understood this chapter. Identify the adverb in the given sentences. Ram has just finished his work. When? Ram has just finished his work. यहाँ पे एक question आपके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा. When? Ram has just finished his work. अभी अभी उसने अपना काम finish किया है. So has is wrong, his is wrong, work is wrong. Just is the adverb here. Just, अभी, just, now, tomorrow, yesterday, today. These all are adverb of, अभी पढ़ा है, adverb of time. Rati is always complaining. Always, हमेशा. Hamesha, today, yesterday, these all are example of, see, the today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, always, these all are example of adverb of time. So always is the correct answer because always, hamesha wo complaining. So this is adverb of time. Snail is moving slowly. How is the snail moving? अगर ये नहीं देखें आप तो आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आएगा. The snail is moving. If I say the snail is moving, you will ask, how ma'am? How is the snail moving? So the snail moving is wrong. Slowly is the correct answer because the snail is moving slowly. I am getting the answer of how. Adverb of manner. Go to the bed now. Go to the bed. You will ask me the question when I have to go to the bed. Now. So now is the adverb of time. Abhi, turant, go to the bed. So here I am getting the answer of when. Don't move, stand here. Don't move, stand here. आप हिलोगे नहीं, यहीं खड़े रहो. Here. You get the answer of where. मैम कहाँ खड़ा होना है? Don't move, stand here. So here is the adverb of place. Here, यहाँ खड़े हो. Please go and stand upstairs. So you'll get the answer of where. कहाँ. So this is adverb of place. Now exercise. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. My mother combed my hair. Loud, no. Clean, Nita, neatly. Ly, how she combed her hair? Neatly, अच्छे से, सफाई से, सुंदर तरीके से. So here neatly will come as we get most of the adverb in adjective we add ly and we get the answer. So this is the correct answer. We have got the answer neatly. Option C is the correct answer. Sham announced the news. Sham ne announced news. Loud, never. Brave. How he announced the news? Loudly. बहुत तेज उसने announcement किया. So loudly is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Gunja added 2 plus 2. Wrongly? 2 plus 2. This is correct. Wrongly, correct, wrong, correctly. 2 plus 2 is 4. So she has plus it correctly. You are getting answer of how. So correctly is the right answer. Wrongly आएगा नहीं क्योंकि answer is correct. Dash the cookies were ready. Never. Always up. Soon. जल्दी cookies ready हो गई. Soon the cookies were ready. So option A is the correct answer. Ranjan draws the flower. Now can you see the flower? He is perfectly drawing everything. Badly? No. Heavily? No. Beautiful? No. Beautifully. When you add ly to the adjective, you get the adverb. And here, how is he drawing the flower? Beautifully. How का आंसर मिल रहा है और किस वर्ड से मिल रहा है? ly लगा के beautifully. So he is drawing the flower beautifully. Mom is at the kitchen cooking dinner. Outside the kitchen होके खाना नहीं बन सकता. After the kitchen, up the kitchen, kitchen के ऊपर? No. Inside the kitchen, where? Here I am getting the answer. Where is the mom? Mom is inside the kitchen cooking dinner. Inside is the correct option here. Option A. I have dash been to Redford. Tomorrow been to Redford? No. Yesterday been soon? Never been to Redford. I have never been to Redford. मैं कभी नहीं गई हूँ. I dash go to school by bus. I soon, wrong, near, always. मैं हमेशा. I always go to school by bus. Here I will get the answer. How? So I always go to school by bus. The sun shines bright. No, bright is not the adverb. Sweet. Loudly. No, brightly. You will add ly to bright and it will become brightly. So brightly is the correct answer here because the sun is shining brightly. Option B is the correct answer. I have a test. Let me study. I have the test yesterday. No, तब फिर आज क्यों पढ़ाई? Never. Tomorrow. When you have your test? Tomorrow. So I'm getting the answer of when. This is adverb of time. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the correct answer. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Achievers section. It rained dash on Sunday. Heavy, very, brightly, no. Heavily. You will add ly. How it rained? Heavily. कैसे raining हुई? Heavily. They walked on wet floor. Walk करेंगे तो careful, care, caring, carefully. जब भी आप ly लगाते हो किसी भी adjective में, then you get the adverb. So here you will put carefully. They walked carefully. वो बहुत अच्छे से. How they walk? Carefully on the wet floor. Wet floor पे, गीले floor पे हमें हमेशा carefully walk करना चाहिए. यहाँ care, caring, careful नहीं आएगा because generally to the adverb you have to add ly plus adverb. My friend lives nearby. अब मेरी friend, my friend lives where? Here you will get the answer of where. कहाँ? नियर बाय. लिव्स wrong, my wrong friend. नियर बाय, वो मेरे पास में रहती है. She lives nearby. So we are getting the answer of where, adverb of place. यहाँ हमें आंसर मिल रहा है where का. So a cat is hiding there. A cat is hiding where? Again you are getting the question where. कहाँ hide कर रही है? is wrong, is wrong, hiding there. वहाँ, the cat is hiding there. We getting the answer of where. Where is adjective of place. वो कहाँ छुपी हुई है? There. हो सकता है बेड के नीचे, हो सकता है सोफा के नीचे. So there, she is hiding there. My father works. How your father works? He works hard. अब जरूरी नहीं है सब में hard ly लगे. Hard is also adverb. My is wrong. Father works is hard. मेरे पापा कैसे work करते हैं? How he works? Hard. Here you cannot put ly. So hard is the correct adverb for this question. SOF IEO 2023 questions. These were the questions which came last year. Dash, do we get to the market? Where? No. What? How? How do we get to the market? हम market कैसे जाएं? They will leave for the trek. They will leave for the trek. Always, ever, really, soon. When? Here we are getting the answer of when. वो कब ट्रैक के लिए जाएंगे? Soon. जल्दी वो ट्रैक के लिए जाएंगे. Here we are getting the answer of when. So this is adverb of time. Soon they will leave for trek. Dash, is Shruti always late for class? When is Shruti always? No. What? Which? Why? Why is Shruti always late for the class? क्यों श्रुति हमेशा लेट होती है क्लास के लिए? Here we are getting the question is why. Why इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करेगा. क्यों श्रुति हमेशा लेट होती है क्लास के लिए? My uncle dash visit my grandparents once a week. मेरे uncle soon visits, no, frequently visits, finally, usually visits my grandparents. When he visit, adjective of time. When? कब? Usually. Usually he comes and visit my grandparents once a week. Usually. Okay. So usually is the correct answer. Frequently will not come here. Finally will not come here. Soon will not fit here. Usually he comes, visits my grandparents once a week. Usually he comes once a week. Choose the correct option from the underline. The students are talking loudly. What is loudly? Noun? No. ly हम किस में लगाते हैं? Adjectives में, verbs में, adverbs. We put ly to adverbs. We in adjective we will put ly, and here it will become when we add ly to the adjective it will become when we add ly to adjective it will become adverb. Okay, so loudly is the adverb here. So we have covered the chapter adverb today. Keep learning, keep practicing. Please prepare for your SOF Olympiads. They are approaching school soon. We will meet up in next class. Till then, stay tuned with Winsome Digital Learning Platform of Winsome International School. Bye, students.